Okay, finally, we're going to look at the 2-5-1 in the key of A. And we're going to keep this one simple. We're going to do the B minor 7 to an E9. This is instead of, and we'll just use Marianne as our song template. It's instead of this, all day, all night, E7, Marianne, down by the seashore, sifting sand. So instead of that going right to the E7, I'm doing a B minor 7. And because I love 9 chords in this particular form, I'm taking that index finger, I'm just sliding it to the first fret. That's all, that's all. And that is your E9. B minor, watch right here, B minor 7, E9. So it'd be all day, all night, Marianne, down by the seashore, sifting sands. Try it. Even little children, they love Marianne, down by the seashore, sifting sand. Now, we figured out that little da, 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 da lick in the key of F. Let's figure it out in the key of A. Let's make our A chord, because that's where we would do it. That would be the harmony. Now let's hum it. La, 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 la. Okay. Let's hope it's in the chord. Let's try it. La, la. It's on the G string. La, la.
C sharp.
La.
E.
It's all in the chord, darlings. All you have to do is play the bottom 3 strings. So watch this. I'm just holding the A, my left hand. La, 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 la. Is that easy peasy? So when you're in the key of A, oh my God, this is all you need to do. Break out the champagne. Here we go. Let's try it. All day, all night, Marianne, down by the seashore, sifting sand. Even little children, they love Marianne, down by the seashore, sifting sand.